boys and girls. Welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a beautiful song here from Giveon, our favorite baritone singer with a dark, silky voice. He's been with us many times before here on Gordon Guitar, so yeah, he does songs on his own. He's been there with singles, but also with collabs, Justin Bieber, Star, and many others. So this time he sings Twenties for us. Nice song. Fits guitar, obviously very well, very easy to handle. So let's go into this one, and we're gonna use no capo on this one. All right, 7 chords, I believe. Let's check them out. And we're gonna look into the first one here, the G major 7. You're gonna play 3rd E. Then I go with open A, but usually I mute it with my finger I'm using here. So I'm just leaning on top of the A, so it gets muted like that. And then we continue with open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord is E minor. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. A minor 7 next, and that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. Then we have the B minor 7. That's a bar chord. We'll place your index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. 5 strings like that, and then you have 4th on D and 3rd on B. You also got the B7, so it's exactly the same grip. Instead of having the 3rd B, you go out to the 4th B. Everything else is the same. That's the B7, and then finally we have the C major 7. And that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so I showed you in the introduction, you can play this with 2 different strumming patterns. I would suggest you go with 6 downs, all right? So if you go to the first chord, the G major 7, I would play like this. Okay, so you're gonna emphasize the 4th down. So I play on the bass strings for all of these downs, pretty much, the bass mid area. And then on the 4th, I make sure I hit the higher notes down there. And then I go back to 5th and 6th and play on the bass strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also showed you one version where you can use the clap there, more focus on the beat. And then if you do that, you're gonna replace the 4th down with the clap instead. So 1, 2, 3, clap, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, clap, 5, 6. Okay, so everything there works, both strumming ways. Let's go into this actual song. Let's go with the first verse, and it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna play the G major, 2 strumming rounds, E minor, 2, A minor 7, 2, and D2. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. 1 round goes like this. That's half of it. You go with another round, and that's the first verse. Then at 41 seconds into the song, there is a pre-chorus, okay? So I think in lyrics 6 years gone, I think that is what he sings. So you're gonna continue with the same strumming now. You're gonna play the B minor 7 for 2 strumming rounds. And then you have the E minor 2, and then A minor 7, 2, and D2. You're gonna play that for 1 round. So like this, B minor, E minor, A minor, and finally D. Yes, and there you have the pre-chords. Now into the chorus, and spending my 20s on you. That's his feeling about that relationship. Anyway, we're gonna start with G major 1 and the C major 1, okay? You're gonna do that for 2 rounds. So G major 1, C major 1, C, G1, C1, okay? And then you're going to continue with B minor 7, 1, A minor 7, 1, and then you finish off with B7, 1 down. Okay, it happens a little bit in the background there around that B7, but when it comes to play it, yeah, you can just get away with 1 down and have a huge pause. That is the value of you playing 2 rounds, okay? So it lasts for 2 rounds of playing with this kind of strumming. So that is the course. I'm going to take you through it. So I'm going to start with G major 1, C 1 for 2 rounds, and then B minor 7, 1, A minor 7, 1, and B7, 1 down, like this. Bim, bada, bim, bum, 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 and then into the next round of everything. And speaking of that, right, that is just repetition. You're going to play the second verse in the same way as the first one, the second pre-chorus as well, and the second chorus. No changes there. And then after that second chorus, you have the outro part left. Guess what? You're just going to play another round of the chorus play, and that's it. Okay, guys, so that is how you handle this sweet song from Giveon. 20s. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. It's a must. No, I'm not gonna force you to do that, but pretty much ask you. So thank you for your support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.